Welcome to fifth video of this DBMS tutorial series. In this series, we have been discussing on normalization, first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, Bayes code normal form. And this video, we are going to focus on fourth normal form. For a table to be called as it follows fourth normal form, what are all the conditions it has to satisfy? In this aspect, we will discuss deeply in this video. For a table to be called as it follows fourth normal form, we need two conditions to satisfy. One is it must be already in Bayes code normal form, that is, it must satisfy Bayes code normal form. Then the table should not have a multi-value dependency. So, what do you mean by a multi-value dependency? I will show you the example with this table. We have three columns: register number, favorite food, and favorite game. By understanding the nature of the second and third columns, we can know that the favorite food column and favorite game column is not dependent on each other, because a student who has chapati as his favorite food, it is not mandatory that he must like cricket also. So student ABC1 likes chapati and cricket, but maybe some other student will have chapati and tennis as his favorite game, or chapati and football as his favorite game. So it is true that the second column and third column is independent of each other. So this is the actual scenario where multi-value dependency expected to arise. So let us go to the condition. Two column B and C not dependent on each other but dependent on third column A. So it is happening here. Favorite food and favorite game is independent on each other, but it depends on the register number column. So in this scenario, for a single value A, there will be multiple values of B and C, multiple combination of B and C. So register number, for a single register number, we will be having multiple combinations of values of favorite food and favorite game. So we have rewritten the table by removing the second register number. So just to make the table simple and understandable, we have removed the ABC002 record alone and rewritten ABC001 with all possible combinations of food, because favorite food and favorite game is not dependent, and so to make the table meaningful, we need to rewrite. So we have rewritten with all possible combinations of favorite food and favorite game for single student here. So this is the place where multi-value dependency happened. So how the multi-value dependency can be removed is very simple. Just split the table into two: food table and game table. Simple. So in this splitted tables, register number and favorite food, we have single record, and register number and favorite game, we have single combination of record here. So now the table is in fourth normal form and multi-value dependency is actually removed. So there is no multi-value dependency. In case you need to check whether it has multi-value dependency, we need the basic condition. The table must have minimum three columns and two independent columns. So both the tables has only two columns, and hence basically there is no possibility of multi-value dependency here. So this is how we can remove multi-value dependency from a table and make the table follows fourth normal form. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.